What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Ample Bikes. Hope you all are doing good. Yamaha has launched a new scooter in 125cc segment in Indian market, that is Yamaha Fasino 125 Fi BS6. This is a walk around and review video. It has got some first in class features. Thanks to Ashoka Motors for allowing me to shoot this video in their showroom. Thanks a lot guys. Yamaha Fasino 125 Fi makes an impression with the all-new Fasino 125 Fi. The Yamaha Fasino has already won hearts with its unique appearance and sleek design. The new Fasino 125 Fi comes with the visual impression of a classic European style along with the new features and technologies, as it gets all new exterior design, high quality bodywork, newly designed headlamp, new gauges and other features. All new Fasino 125 Fi is powered by BS6 compliant air-cooled fuel-injected Fi 125cc Blue Core engine that produce a power out is plus 30% and fuel economy are plus 60% higher compared to the earlier scooter, and the body weight is 99 kg, which is minimum 4 kg lighter than the previous models. First in the class, the unique stop and start system prevents engine idling and subsequently starts with a single throttle twist, which uses the sensor and access the riding environment. Fasino has got one more first in class feature, SMG. The smart motor generator fitted in this new Fasino 125 Fi brings a quieter engine start without need for a separate conventional electric start motor and the side stand engine cutoff switch. Excellent engine performance. New 125cc Fi engine is powered by BS6 compliant air-cooled fuel-injected Fi 125cc Blue Core engine that produces a power output of 8.2 bhp at 6500 rpm and a torque of 9.7 Nm at 5000 rpm. The power output is 30% higher and the fuel economy is 16% higher than the previous model. It has got concave lens headlamp, shun the darkness away with the new and stylish concave lens headlamp. Enjoy your ride with improved visibility of the road ahead. Fasino 125 has got clear lens indicator and a chrome finishing on the front body. It looks quite attractive, and this is the stylish looking scooter in the segment of 125cc. The trendy, stylish and safe Fasino is now equipped with a metal fender that gives you the feel of well-built scooter. It has got a telescopic front suspension and front disc brake with UBS, unified braking system. When you apply the rear brake, front brake also works. Here is the right side view of the Fasino 125 Fi. This is the stylish scooter available in the Indian market. You can have a look at it. It's beautifully designed and stylish scooter. Fasino BS6 125 Fi specification. Engine, it has got excellent engine performance, 125cc air-cooled 4-stroke single overhead cam, 2 valves. Maximum power 8.2 bhp at 6500 rpm. Maximum torque is 9.7 Nm at 5000 rpm. Fuel system, fuel injection, starting system, kick and self start, both the options are available. Ground clearance is 145 mm. It has got 3D Fasino emblem on both the side of the body, and the tail lamp is V-shaped tail lamp. The beautifully designed V-shaped tail lamp adds to the visual appeal of the scooter, gives the smart and trendy look. 110 mm wide rear tire, smooth and balanced ride on the Fasino are credited to the wide rear tire. Rear left side view of the Fasino. Rear suspension is preloaded hydraulic, classic style instrument panel. Style never goes out of fashion, and the classic styled instrument cluster is the absolute charmer here. Handlebar left hand switches. It has got high beam and low beam switch, indicator switch and the horn switch here. And the handlebar right hand switches. It has got an on off button here and a self start button. You can have a look at it. And here is the ignition switch. Easy leg reach. Now experience the comfort of having your feet firmly planted on the ground, all thanks to the easy leg reach features the all new Fasino. Comfortable wider seat. Now enjoy best of both the worlds with a stylish ride and comfortable seat. Whether riding with a pillion or a solo, comfort and style is not compromised with this one. Smart Start Generator. The Smart Start Generator SMG fitted to the new Fasino 125 Fi brings a quieter engine start and the side stand engine cutoff switch. First in the segment stop and start system. When certain conditions are met, the stop start system automatically stop the engine when the vehicle is at stop and idling, thereby helping to save the fuel. The rider can easily restart the engine and get under way again by simply twisting the throttle, which quickly fires up the engine. It has got lightweight body. At just 99 kg, the Fasino is more manageable and fun in the urban streets. The only thing you need to balance now is your style and charm. Telescopic suspension. Fasino uses telescopic suspension in front and gives you control during all kind of road conditions, be it bumps or speed breakers. With the Fasino suspension, every road feels like a smooth ramp. It has got front disc and drum brake, both the option with the UPS. Enjoy the best ride quality on any road conditions. When the rider applies the rear brake, a portion of the front brake are applied for full braking performance. 21 liters under seat storage. A large under seat storage of 21 liters ensure that you have enough space to carry your essentials and personal items. V-shaped tail lamp. The beautiful designed V-shaped tail lamp adds to the visual appeal of the scooter, gives the smart and trendy look. It has got beautifully designed grab rail holder. Fasino has got comfortable wider seats, seat height of 780 mm, fuel tank capacity 5.2 liters. Fasino 125 BS6 has got 3 variant: drum variant, disc brake variant and deluxe variant. Drum brake ex-showroom price in Hyderabad is 67,750. On-road price in Hyderabad is 79,574. Disc variant ex-showroom price in Hyderabad is 70,250 and the on-road price is 80,347. And the deluxe variant on-road price in Hyderabad is 83,456. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care guys. Thanks for watching.